Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to change font size in Yahoo Mail. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well, because it's really simple and easy. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser and then in the search bar type in mail.yahoo.com, right? And once it loads, you'll be sent to your Yahoo Mail homepage, right? Now, in order to change the font size in Yahoo Mail, what you need to do is click on this compose button right here. And once you click on it, here, let me just type something. Now, in order to change the font size, all you gotta do is just select all the text or just simply press Ctrl plus A, and then on the bottom bar you can see a double A icon, right? So now click on that, and here on the left side you'll get the font style, and on the right side you'll get the font size, right? Now in order to change the font size, just select the size that you want, and then that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.